Welcome back! In this episode, we're going to learn how to add text to your videos. Text is extremely important for titles, names, captions, and explaining what's happening on screen. Let's start with the basics. Adding basic text. To add text, go to the text option and choose Add Text. A text box will appear on your video and on the timeline. You can tap on the text and start typing anything you want. This can be a title, a name, or a simple sentence. Moving and resizing text. Once your text is added, you can move it anywhere on the screen. Just drag it to the position you want. To resize the text, pinch in or out using your fingers, or adjust it using the size controls. Make sure your text is clear and not too close to the edges of the screen. Font, color, and style. Now let's customize the text. Select the text layer and you'll see options for font size and color. Choose a font that is easy to read. Avoid using too many different fonts in one video. You can also change the text color and add simple styling like bold or outline if needed. Keep it clean and readable. Text duration and timing. Text appears on the timeline just like a video clip. You can control how long it stays on screen by dragging the edges of the text layer. Make sure the text stays long enough for viewers to read it comfortably. Text animations. CapCut also lets you animate text. Select the text layer and go to Animations. For now, focus only on basic in and out animations like fade in or slide in. Avoid using too many animations at once. Simple animations look more professional. Using text presets. CapCut offers many text presets. These are pre-designed text styles with animations. Presets can save time, but use them carefully. Choose simple presets that match your video style and avoid anything too flashy. Basic auto captions. CapCut also has an auto captions feature. This automatically turns spoken audio into text. This is useful for social media videos where many people watch without sound. Nice work! You now know how to add and customize text in CapCut. Text helps your videos communicate clearly and look more professional. Practice using clean fonts and simple animations. That's it for this episode. See you in the next video.